For those passionate about travel and tourism, who see destinations as experiences and dream of exploring the world, this is where passion finds direction. At NIMS University, you learn how the world moves. With 25 plus years of excellence, a 450-acre residential campus, and 20,000 plus students, NIMS brings tourism, hospitality, and management together under one university. Learn beyond classrooms through real experiences, internships, and industry exposure. Gain skills in travel planning, tourism operations, hotel coordination, event management, and customer experience strategies. Choose from specialized programs: Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management, Master of Tourism and Travel Management, Diploma and Advanced Diploma pathways. Backed by 2,000 plus recruiters, 45,000 plus placements with packages up to 60 LPA in India and 1.2 crore internationally. NIMS University, Rajasthan. The future is already enrolled.